Welcome back to my channel, everybody. My name is Meng Huei. He's a mountain biker. Today we talk about why we should learn jump. Just now the video is I ride the Putrajaya Challenge Park Grade 5 trail without take the jump. But I also not really take it. The other video is I ride the trail and I take all the jump features. Actually, you take the jump features or don't is have fun also. Because if you know jump, if you know how to jump, you can try to take the features, whatever it have, and whatever you can use it, and you can have fun with it. Then it's better lah. You have more fun. Jump actually not really difficult and also not really dangerous. A lot of people they are thinking is very dangerous, jump is very dangerous. Actually not. You don't just see the jump then you just try it. I not really recommend it. You can start learn the jump from very low, very basic jump. Then it's safe, because low if you really crash also not really will injured, and more easy to clear. Just need some time to practice and your jumping skill will improve. I'm not asking you and I'm not planning to learn the jump like free riders, rampage. Actually, I just want to have some fun in the trail. If they have a jump features, why don't we take it? If we know the skill, then we just take it, then have more fun. I'm not really saying you have to jump in the trail only can have the fun. Different people, different thinking. This is just my opinion. The mountain bike actually got a lot thing to learn, because they have a uphill, downhill, technical uphill, technical downhill, have jump, drop, cornering with berm and without the berm. This is why I like mountain bike. A lot thing to do, a lot thing to learn. If you learn more thing, then you can have more fun in the trail and also more safe.
That's it. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe, click the bell button, and share to your friends. Okay, I see you in next video or in the trail. Bye.